Are you ready for the ultimate hair transformations? And here is K-Hair End of Summer Sale. Our aim is to provide you with the highest quality hair extensions at affordable price, helping you achieve the best look you always dream of. We understand that our customers value both qualities and affordabilities when it comes to hair extensions. That's why we have designed an extremely large and attractive discount program exclusively for you. With our end of summer sale, you can save a lot of money on your hair orders. Here's how it works. Discount $10 per kilogram for order from 3 kgs. Discount $20 per kilogram for order from 5 kgs. Discount $50 per kilogram for order from 10 kgs. And this only available from 30th of July to 3rd of August, so please hurry up. With K-Hair, the more you order, the more you save. But that's not all. Let us share with you an incredible story from one of our customers, all the way from Ghana. This customer had an awful experience with various hair factories in Vietnam, leading them to develop a deep-rooted distrust. However, everything changed when they discovered K-Hair Factory. Our customer journey with hair extension had been full of disappointment, but when they received their first order from K-Hair, everything changed. The outstanding hair qualities and the reasonable price made them come back for this 20 kg order. This story inspired us to bring the same level of trust, satisfaction and joy to every customer around the world. So, whether you are based in Ghana or anywhere else in the world, take advantages of our incredible end of summer sale. Don't miss out on these amazing promotions. Head over to contact our friendly customer service team to place your order today. Together, let's bring the beauties of K-Hair to customers worldwide.